Hey guys, let's see today how to send a message with firework effect on iPhone on latest iOS 17. So for that guys, just go to message app, just tap on it, and now guys here just pick anyone which you want to send a message with firework effect on iPhone. So let's example I want to send a message to my dad, and here so let's say just type happy birthday, yeah. And now this text message I want to add firework effect on with this text message. Also guys, you can also add some emoji also, even though you can also add some stickers as well, but I wanted to send a simple text message with firework effect. So for that guy, just don't hit and release immediately, just press and hold the top the arrow button, and yeah, you can see the pop-up menu with, yeah, you can see over the top send with effect. So either you have to send with the bubble, yeah, screen. So just tap on a screen, and guys now here just swipe until you will get the firework effect. So now send with the balloons, send with confetti, yeah, send with love, and send with lasers. Yeah, here you go, send with fireworks. Now you can go and just hit that arrow button. Yeah, you can see this effect will go with, even though you will get the sound also. So this way guys, you can send a text message with firework effect on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.